All right, so this is a little update on the Bosch heat pump system. I know everything on their website says that they are not compatible with the Nest learning thermostat, but this is here to prove to you guys all that it indeed is. So as you can tell, this is the silver one. Sorry, the lighting's not that great, but I'm going to cut it on and then walk outside so you can hear. All right, there you go. So it went red, so that's showing that the heat pump is kicked on. So now I'm going to walk you outside. I can hear it going inside here. Normally you would hear this thing going like crazy, our old train system, but here you go. There it's running. That's proving. Oh, see the variable fan just dropped down some, which is what the Bosch systems are known for. They're not loud and they have the variable fan speed. So if it doesn't need to use the fan speed, it won't, which is supposed to save you on your electricity bill. Here is the energy rating.